How do you balance your family, man?
You got to put them in first. They go on the calendar first. That's how I
No,
do it.
so what does your day look like and everything else? And then I'll ask about your morning routine. Like, what does your day look like and where are you putting them?
So I think for a lot of people, when they're newer, you kind of have this perfect day, right? Like, prospect 2 hours every day and whatever. Like you kind of have this perfect day. But you become a business owner, you kind of have a perfect week. So I have like a perfect Monday, perfect Tuesday, perfect Wednesday, perfect Thursday, perfect Friday, right? And so for my family time, and COVID kind of screwed things up, but it used to be Tuesday afternoons, pick up the kids from my in-laws and then take them to piano lessons, right? They had private lessons on Tuesdays. Wednesdays, I go to my in-laws because they take them after school, pick them up, take them to Kung Fu lessons, and then piano lessons, then regular piano lessons.
Mm-hmm.
And then on Saturday mornings, take them to Kung Fu lessons and swim lessons. And so that's on my calendar. Saturday, nothing is allowed to be scheduled on my calendar. I will bite someone's head off if they schedule something on my calendar on a Saturday, right?
Okay.
Sunday mornings is family time. Now I have openings from 2 to 5, and that's only for sales calls. That's the only thing I do on Sundays, the sales calls. So like my calendar is crazy during the week. If someone really needs to talk to me, generally that's kind of when they book, right? It's Sunday afternoons. But that's it. And outside of that 2 to 5 on Sundays, it's family time. And so you got to be intentional. You hear that the story, right, of the college professor who, you got the rocks, sand, and water.
Yeah.
Like what do you put in first? And you can't put the water in first and then the sand and the rocks. It just doesn't work. So what you got to do is you got to put the big rocks first and then the sand and then the water. And so for me, the family are the big rocks. You put the time with the family and then you schedule everything around it. Another way to look at this, and this is something that was a revelation. I got this from Darren Hardy in the Insane Productivity Training. And this is like a first time I heard it, it was like mind blowing, but it's really easy to overlook. So most people have their business and they fit their life where they can fit it.
Mm-hmm.
That's just kind of what you do. I've got my ideal life and I fit my business where I can within that.
I love that.
It's Parkinson's law, right? It's short and simple. It's like too simple that someone might listen to it. It's like, what does that mean? But really, that's the only way to do it. If you want balance, that's the only way to do it. You got to plan how you want your life to look and then fit your business around that.